Hi, my name is Christopher Terry, CEO of iMarkets Live, and in this video we will show you how to set up your charts for MetaTrader 4, which is the charting platform to use for Forex trading. In the prior videos we have shown you how to set up your trading account and also setting up your MetaTrader 4. We used an example using FX Choice Pro Live in a prior video, and now we are going to go into each chart, or actually we're going to go into one chart and show you how to set up everything. So let's follow along. So when you turn on your MetaTrader 4 for the first time, you're going to have charts that look like this. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your charts exactly how we do at iMarkets Live, or at least how I do, Christopher Terry. The first thing we want to do is you go to View, and then Navigator. Okay, and here now at the bottom you'll see that there's 5 charts. However, one of them has our harmonic scanner, so I kind of hid that for now. So you'll have 4 charts and there'll be 4 tabs at the bottom. What we want to do is let's just go to the first chart, and we're going to set up everything that you need. So step 1, right click on the chart, okay, and click on Properties. Step 2, we're going to click on None for Grid, and if you hit OK, it's going to disappear. You see that? So right click, Properties, background white, foreground black. That's fine. A lot of times what I do is I use blue. I like the blue background like that. Then bar up, okay, we got bar up, I'm going to put blue, and bar down, we're going to put red. Bull candle, which means bar up, is going to be, it'll be blue, like that, and bear candle on the way down. Now if I'm going a little too fast for you, just stop the video and go back. So right now we have everything that we pretty much need to see the charts. Nice and pretty and vibrant. So I've always liked the red, white, and blue charts. Actually, in September 11th, I was doing a course in September 11th, 2001, and for the American flag, I did the red, white, and blue. So I kept it all these years. Now, there's 2 types of bars we can use. One is the open, high, low, close bars, and the other one is the candlestick. In the videos upcoming, we're going to discuss that. But for now, I just want to set up the charts exactly how I have it. So to review, we went right-click Properties, background white, foreground blue, grid blank, bar up, bar down, bar up, bar down, candle up, candle down. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add in a moving average. So once I help you set up everything here, then we're going to go through and look at all the tools and types of bars and everything. Moving average. You left click here on moving average. Okay, so for instance, you open it up, it has a little box that says trend. You hit the plus, you'll see moving average. You can come here, you can make this wider. Okay, you can see everything like that. Left click, hold it down, and drag it here. That's one way. Another way is double click, and it opens up. I use a 20 period exponential moving average, and you can use red. I like to give it a little bit of a thickness like that. And that's how you got your moving average, a 20 period exponential moving average. What I also like to do is I'd like to add an MACD. If we come down here, again we can double click it, or you can drag it. At the inputs area, we're going to put in 3, 10, 16. Okay? In terms of colors, Going to make this blue, just like that. And we'll leave the red alone. And we're going to hit OK. And right there you have the MACD. Now you can make this go up or down however you choose to look at it. Basically, this is the basic chart that I like to use when I look at trading. I add other things, and we'll talk about that later as we go through all the different features. But right here as a basic chart, this is a perfect chart to use. What I also like to do is right-click, you hit Template, Save Template, and we're going to call this the IML 01. All right, IML 01, and you hit Save. Come to the top of the screen, make it smaller. So the other three charts that you have, right-click, Template, IML 01, and you see how everything turns into IML 01. Now, basically, if we look at the different charts, right down here, GBP USD, at the bottom of the chart, right down here, you can type in GBP USD. That's one way to change it. I'm sorry, USD CHF. That's one way to change it. Another way to change it is if we go View, Market Watch, and let's just say we want to change it back to GBP USD. You left mouse click and you drag it and drop it. See that? All right. So we can make this wider, which we'll look at this later on. But I just want to get you set up with the basic charts to start, and that way you're doing the same thing we are. Left mouse click, drag, and drop. What I like to do when I look at my charts, I like to start with the daily. I like to put the 4 hour. I like to put the 1 hour. And I like to put the 15-minute chart. And what we have now is a USD CHF 15-minute chart, hourly, 4 hour, and daily. And you'll learn more about this later on and why. But what we just done in the past 7 minutes or so is show you how to set up your initial charts, and then going forward we'll learn how to use all the different tools and features, and we'll look at other ways to set up your charts. My name is Christopher Terry, and I hope you enjoyed setting up your charts for MetaTrader 4 the way iMarkets Live does. Thank you.